this chord progression kind of sounds like a Busta Rhymes beat. Something like the Pastor Cavassier. Anyway, it's really simple once you break it down. It's the same chord structure all the way through. So we have C, G, E, and G. Common tones, octaves. C, and then E in terms of the lower notes for the right hand and also the left hand, which makes this nothing more than a C major chord, but it's spread out. Instead of just playing it like this, we have fifth, the third degree, which happens to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th. This is the interval of a major sixth from G to E, and then E to G up top here is a minor third. 1, 2, 3, 3 half steps in the minor third. So this is the shape for the first chord. To get to the second chord, all you got to do is step up chromatically, which means that this, check out my pinky, he goes up, this goes up, this goes up, this goes up. Okay, that was 1 half step. We go up another half step, everyone's going up, and everyone goes up 1 more. Okay, so the exact same intervallic structure takes us to the second chord, going up 1, 2, 3, 3 half steps to this E flat major chord. Okay, so E flat, B flat, G, B flat as well. To the next chord, which is down literally a half step, so everyone steps down to the next nearest note below. Okay, D, A, F sharp, A, down another half step, D flat, F, and A flat. And to get back to the first chord again, down half steps. Okay, so kind of simple. In terms of the structure, like the intervals are not changing. Only thing you need to get good at is essentially keeping the shape and going chromatically up and down the keyboard. Well, in this case, not really going up. You're going to leap, a minor third. So practice that. Just practice this for a while, actually. Something that I noticed right away is that this note right here, the G, that's a common tone. So nice to know that. Makes things easier. You can kind of anchor this right hand into position and not have to do a lot of movement, and you know that you're safe because you kind of have a grip on the keyboard the entire time. Now, this is a little bit different in the left hand. We're flying our perfect fifth interval and taking it to the black notes E flat and B flat. So get comfortable with this movement. Okay, and then when you put it together, pretty simple. And then to complete the progression, like I said, we're just going to go down by half steps now. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Let's put on some time. And just stay here. Set your timer for like 5 minutes. And then just do this. I have the pedal going on right now. Maybe I do it without the pedal. Add some rhythmic variation. Put some drums next to that. Put some drums with that, and that's your next beat. Alright? Thanks for watching. Practice it, get it in your fingers. Also, if you found this video helpful, hop on over to musicpack.com. Check out my products page. And if you're in the market to get a new MIDI controller, headphones, or speakers, I'd appreciate if you click the link and made a purchase. I get a small commission. And it's much appreciated because it allows me to keep on delivering free content just like this to you. Okay, so appreciate the support, and tune in for next time.